Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to send SHAREit through Bluetooth in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to share the SHAREit app via Bluetooth, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To uninstall SHAREit on your mobile, first of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once you're on the Settings main screen, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. A new screen will appear. From here, select Manage Apps. Now, a list of all installed apps will appear. From here, scroll down until you find SHAREit. Once found, tap on it. Now, tap on the Uninstall button at the bottom of the screen to remove the SHAREit app from your device. A confirmation pop-up will appear. From here, tap on OK to permanently remove it. Once done, SHAREit will be removed from your mobile, and you will no longer be able to use the app.